Hey there guys, and welcome back to Vlogmas day 13. Wow, lucky number. So let's get into this recipe. You want to start out with an apple and you want to peel it. Next up, you want to cut out the core and then you want to cut it in quarters. And then you want to grate that and set that to the side. Next, you wanna cut down some chocolate. You can also use like pre-made chocolate chips if you want to. Then in a small bowl, you wanna measure out your brown sugar. And in a bigger bowl, you wanna add your eggs. And then you wanna add some water, 2 tablespoons. Then you wanna start beating that up and little by little add the brown sugar to that. And you really want to take your time with this so the texture gets right. You want a nice fluffy texture and the sugar should be dissolved. Here you can see the mixture after all the sugar is added in. Next up, you want to add your apple. And then you slowly want to add all the other ingredients like the cinnamon, the rum flavor, the chocolate, the almonds, and the candied lemon. Last but not least, you want to add the flour and the baking powder, and then you want to mix that so you have a nice even dough. On a baking sheet with some baking paper, you want to spread it out evenly. And then you want to bake it with 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. And this is such a cool recipe. It's very Christmassy and wintry and just tastes like the holidays. And I hope you give it a go and let me know if you liked it if you do. Talk to you tomorrow.